Welcome to Whitegate Farm. We're on the top of the Blackdown Hills, only 1.5 miles from the village of Hemyock. The free school bus to Ufcombe School goes past your front door, and yet we're in this beautiful rural location, and we have the most fantastic example of an updated farmhouse. 5.25 acres, there's so much to offer here. Let's have a look around. I think most people that know me would say it's not often that I'm speechless. This room almost makes me speechless. It is stunning. It is a place to entertain. It is a place to have food. It is a place to create memories. It is truly exceptional, and you really need to come and see it. With a choice of 2 principal bedroom suites, you could say you are spoilt for choice. For me, this is the one I would have, overlooking the field, so if you do have horse, ponies, you've just got peace of mind, which is lovely. In addition, we've also got planning still existing, actually in perpetuity, to put on some additional accommodation that could make an ancillary stroke annex unit. So if you do need that extra bit of space, it's here. Now, of course, it isn't all about the land. The owners here have also created this beautiful outside space, directly connected to the kitchen family living area. It's just an absolute delight, completely private, sun-soaked, seating areas, fire pit, even a pizza oven and an outside sink. It complements this stunning home. This is one you don't want to miss. Give us a call, 01823 423 500. What's so lovely here is that the 2 fields are directly behind the house, so you've got eyes on your land, and if you keep horses, ponies, that's absolutely vital. We've also got a secondary vehicular access. Our clients, growing family, have lived here, have actually used it as a great place for kicking a football around, playing cricket, rugby, you name it, but just enjoy it.